Well, my buddy Art Hansen doing a junk clean out on his shop here. So another house clean out today. Look at all this scrap. Aluminum down there. These steel shelves. Batteries. Aluminum frames. Metal cart. More aluminum wood there. Aluminum door. Aluminum gutter. Another set. So wire. All sorts of scrap here. We'll take you over to see the other one here. He had a shop clean out. Look at that big old, like 6-foot Holiday gas station sign. Nobody sold that. This old metal thing, we gotta see if we can get this out of here for him. I don't know if he wants me to take that or not. Look at that big old metal staircase. That's probably 500 pounds there. And then look at this, folks. This is pretty cool. The boiler. Kearney Boiler Corporation, Illinois, Type C. Look at that old guy. That came out of Emerson School. I'm gonna try and get that out of here for him. Might have to sell that. Selling his old country cabin out here. Nice old cabin. Here's his other pile. Old wagon wheel. The old hazard sign. Those crates. Well, look at this old Brunn coffee maker here. Big old wire piece on there. All right. More scrap to put inside here. You ready? Boom! There you go. Got it all loaded up. Gonna break these down here on the back because I gotta break all the glass on all of that and get all the aluminum off. That'll be a little bit of a job. And then kind of go through he's got a lot of ferrous stuff in there too I gotta go through. So there you go. That's how you load the truck with a snap of finger like that. Boom. All right, on to the breakdown section next. What do you think, Junkyard Goat? Is that a pretty good haul? Did you help me? Yeah, that's right. So what do you think of old Art Hansen, our Navy shipmate? Met him from noticing he had a U.S. Navy license plate from the USS Benjamin Stoddard, the first Secretary of the Navy. He was on that destroyer. So, yeah. Thanks so much, Mr. Art Hansen. You are the man. Junkyard Goat is happy. Thumbs up, Junkyard Goat. Well, today must be a trucker's bad day. I found these out on the interstate near Ogallala. And this toe strap too. I mean, a really nice heavy-duty strap there. So I'll be using that a lot. But I believe these are chains to put on tires for a semi, for like the winter time when it snows or it's icy. They say TSC 22 on them, so I assume that's 22 inches maybe, or I don't know. But yeah, I flared them all out. I asked my buddy Gary Walker what they were from Australia. He said he thought they were a ladder. Australian truck drivers would have no idea what these are for. And yeah, the Hedge Guard, Anzo Tech. So Allied, Allied must be for Allied tow trucks, or trucks, I would presume. So chains and a nice toe strap. Those are good finds to find on the interstate. Heck yeah. On to the next Ryan the Scavenger find. What's going on, Scavenger Nation? It's Ryan Smith, aka Ryan the Scavenger. How y'all doing? We're gonna break down some windows over here to show you how I do it. Window frames, this outside is all plastic, but of course you got the glass in there, so how do you get rid of the grass? Well, you go to the hammer and go smashy smashy. Gotta be careful when you do this. You don't cut your fingers, so do it. Make sure you wear gloves. See how quickly you got all that out of there? That just pulls out. Easy. Then you just take it on the corner here, bend it. It's aluminum. The old twisty, back and forth. You gotta check these little pieces on the end. They're like 99% of the time aluminum. Right here, but these are aluminum. I can tell just by looking at them, and that's how you get the glass out. And then sometimes there's going to be a rubber gasket in here, and sometimes not. So check that out. And there you go. That's how quickly. And then you got to check these pieces like this right here to see if those are steel or not. There you go. You got yourself some chunks of aluminum. Here's all of the wood for a Ryan the Scavenger live stream feed, so we'll recycle that by doing a little burn on that maybe tonight. See if we can get Darren Redfeather to come over and host another Ryan the Scavenger fireside chat, so we'll see. And then over here we'll show you a final breakdown of all of the scraps. There's all of the metal or aluminum, some aluminum over there. Got one car battery here. This is all iron here. This is a metal or aluminum door. And we got a little bit of copper down there from stripping all that wire, and some brass. So yeah, let's go over to the scrapyard and see what we got here. All right, we got our trusty sidekick, the junkyard goat here. You ready to go to the scrapyard? You ready to get some money? You gonna let me keep any of the money? Yeah, that's what I figured. All right, let's go to the scrapyard. What do you say? All right. Go over here to Anderson Wrecking. Get on the scale here. Prices suck today, but it is what it is. Well, hopefully Tony's over here on the Maggie. Steel prices are really bad now. I'm surprised there. Pile is this big, you would have thought they would have got rid of it, but man, people are still bringing it. There's the Maggie. Have to wait for him to clean that up first. Here comes Tony with the magnet. Nice and precise. Slow as usual. Got most of it out in one shot. Get her out of there. Ripping cars apart. Get out of there. We got a little, look at this, we got a little car. Smash a car. Got a big bunch of trailers in. Or they smashed or something. Exit to the scale. Let's do it. We got the junkyard dog usually, but this is the junkyard cat. Look at this guy, man. He is a big freaking cat. The junkyard cat. Junkyard goat? What the heck? Seriously? You're taking my check? Come on, man. You gotta give me some of it. Oh, man. Junkyard goat, once again, taking all my money. I'm gonna borrow it from you, okay, junkyard goat? Let's have a look here. What do we have here? All right, 212 pounds of unprepared iron, $85 a net ton. Oh man, that's terrible. $9.01. Aluminum, 59 pounds, 50 cents a pound, $29.50. Yellow brass, $2.20 a pound, 6 pounds, $13.20. And number 2, copper, 13 pounds, $3.25 a pound, $42.25. Unclean brass, $1.50, $22.50. Those are all of the doorknobs. Batteries, 15 pounds, 10 cents a pound, $1.50. So total of $117.96. Not bad. And then one other thing I wanted to mention, this is an example of how non-ferrous material can help you when steel prices are down. I mean, unprepared iron is always going to be a scrapper's bread and butter, but non-ferrous material, look at that. The prices still aren't the best on them, but that helps you out a little bit. So, yeah, Art Hansen. And, oh, yeah, by the way, this is a share deal that I did with Art because he had so much stuff. So we're doing a 60-40 deal on here. So, yeah, I know. It's a different way to figure out on how you want to do scrapping and whether or not it's worth it to you. So 60% of that is going to be mine and 40% of that's going to be Art's. So not bad. Oh, yeah, and also I sold the 2 cabinets for $40 too. So I guess a total of $157.